In this video, I'll be speaking about what practices can help you open up to channeling spirit, because every single person can do this. And many people that come to me and say, and I can't do it. I don't know how to do it. I don't know where to even start. And I'll show them simple techniques and then they get it. Sometimes it takes more than once, sometimes it takes a few times, but that's okay too. So in this video, you will learn practicing centering, and the alpha breath is an easy way to get into, especially if you're analytical. If you've got an analytical mind where your mind just goes on overdrive, as soon as you sit down and your breath just goes, you connect to your breath, your mind just goes, oh, what do I need to do today? Or I need to put the shopping on. Oh, the kids aren't off. All these things start coming. The monkey mind, as I say. I'll show you how to switch that off. Also, how to set clear intentions, and also how to connect to source energy powerfully and consistently. So welcome to Varney Spiritual Alchemist channel, where we provide spiritual, powerful tools and insights and scientific tools, may I add, to help you manifest your dreams and connect with spiritual guidance at the highest level. But before we dive into the content, make sure to smash that like and button and that subscribe so you can never miss out on our latest videos. And if you're serious about taking your manifestation spiritual journey to the next level, I have something really special for you. Excuse me. By clicking the QR code or clicking the link below, you can jump on the first sessions on me, where we can get crystal clear on what you need to do in order to get those actionable steps towards your goals, your future. Is where you can channel intuitive guidance, which you can connect to yourself at a deeper level, or if you want to use it on a professional basis, to your clients also. So without further ado, let's get further on. So how the practice that can help you open up a channel to spirit. Very simple one. Centering. Practice centering is a very good way of channeling your spirit to spirit. And what I mean by that is just connecting to yourself. And I always say the spiritual cord, every single person has a spiritual cord. Some is just thicker than others, because if you are connected to your spiritual, your connection, that's your team and power animals and all that goes with the spirit team. If you're connected there, you're at a powerful level. Your spiritual cord will be quite thick. However, if you you lack that connection, your spiritual cord will be very thin, and could even be there's pieces that's so thin it feels like it's not there, but it is there, because every single person has that cord attached to our source energy. And if you want to call it God, whatever it is that you call it, universe, source, ally, whatever, But practice centering is a very powerful tool. And what I say is to people is just imagine a spiritual cord and just bringing the source energy down. So you just imagine you're setting the intention, you're bringing that energy down, and you're just bringing it through the energy centers in the through the head and going right through into the heart space, and just allow that energy to and you take your awareness to the heart center. So taking, if you've never done that before, take your awareness to your finger, feel the finger, then take the awareness, that same awareness, to the heart. Because if someone had said to me, take that awareness to your heart center, when I was a bridal designer, when I was so closed, it was unbelievable, I would have laughed at you and says, what the hell are you talking about? So it's really, if someone had explained that to me, I would have got it. So just taking that aware down to the heart space. And then what I want you to do is listen for 5 things. Just listening. One, the breath could be one. My voice could be another. If you're near nature, it could be a bird tweeting, or if you're near cars, it could be a car, it could be a clock. Just think of all those things that's around you that you don't normally hear. And just set clear intentions. And this is a double one, is using the silver method. You can see it on YouTube. It's a very, very good method. Yossi Silva uses this method like as if it's hypnosis in some type. But it's a very easy way to get you down into the alpha breath. And just breathe into the heart space. And just allowing yourself to visualize the number 3, close the eyes, and allow your eyes, when the eyes are closed, to go back up to the forehead. So you can see, if your eyes are closed, the eyes are slightly up about 20% to the forehead, and you will see the number 3 times. 3, 3, 3. Taking a nice big deep breath in, going even deeper. Choosing and seeing the number 2 3 times. 2, 2, 2. Big deep breath in. And now see the number 1 3 times. 1, 1, 1. Going really down into the alpha breath, feeling yourself become completely relaxed, letting go. Going deeper with every number I say, and you can do this yourself. And to improve this sense of connection, to open yourself up to channel spirit, is just to use the bagua. So you use the tip of the tongue to just touch the roof of your mouth, going deeper and deeper. And as I go from 10 to 1, you'll be fully in alpha state. 10, 9, 8, 7, going deeper and deeper. 6, 5, 4, going deeper even still, nearly there in your alpha state. 3, 2, 1, completely down now, feeling like you've never felt before. And now what you're going to do is you're going to set a clear intention that you want to connect to your spirit guide. And just channel. Open yourself up. And just allow spirit to connect to source energy where spirit resides. And just breathe into that. Sometimes what I do when I connect, because sometimes it's different how we like to connect with that, is sometimes just visualize or have the feeling or the knowing or the sense. It depends on what your superpower is. Just allow that superpower to come through. Set the clear intention that you're channeling your spirit. And ask the question, what don't I know that I need to know to help me in my life right now? What don't I know that I need to know that will help me in my life right now? And just wait for that clear answer. As you open up to channel your spirit guide. And let me know in the comments. Once we come back up from the alpha breath, and I'm going to count from 1 to 5, where you will feel even better than you did before. And not only that, but you'll have clear, crystal clear guidance, even if that's just one word or a feeling or a knowing. Doesn't matter. The more you do this, the better you become. 1, 2, coming up now into full awakening state, where you are fully awake. 3, 4, 5. Open the eyes now, fully awake. And let me know in the comments, guys, how that was for you and if you got that connection. And there's actually other videos on my channel that you can do that will help you to get a deeper connection. And I'm Varney, spiritual teacher, author, podcaster. Please like and subscribe to the channel. It really does help the cause. Thank you very much.